Are you comfy, girls? Hey guys, if you're like me and you've got a little car, a little back seat, but a lot of dog that needs some extra space, you're going to want to take a peek at this thing right here. Whether we're on a vacation, a quick trip to the vet, or up to the feed store, my dogs need some room back here. So I was really glad to have received this gifted back seat extender for dogs. I'm going to show you how to put it in here and a few little features about it. It does come in this nice carry case, has a full zip top, it does have a strap to hold it all together for you, which makes getting in and out of the bag pretty easy. Your mesh goes towards the front, the solid piece goes towards the back. Your headrest straps just go right around the headrest and clip on, and then you can tighten them up to whatever spacing you need. You've got a seat tether right here, and this just helps to hold it in. And you just kind of shove that down in between the seat back and the seat itself. Headrest strap, just tighten it up by giving it a pull. Your front side is installed exactly the same way. You take your two pieces, put it around the headrest. Now right here you can see we've got about 40% more foot space for the dogs. So they're not limited to this tiny little seat back here. They've now got this extra room that they can be a lot more comfortable on the car rides. The side flap here is going to come up to protect your door. It's just going to zip right up. And then you've got your tethers that's going to help to hold this up. You'll just clip one side, run it up through the handhold, and clip it in. The other really neat thing that I've not seen in other backseat extenders is this actually has a column support on it. So you can open this up, Velcro it, zip this up, and there's some Velcro underneath here that you can attach this to. And if you need it, you've got the added support right there for that too. So a couple things that I like. You've got a cargo pocket right here that's got really strong Velcro on it, nice and roomy for treats or collars or leashes or anything like that. You've got another pocket over on that side. It's like a cargo pocket. And then you've got this mesh that's right in the middle here. So what that's going to do is allow airflow through. It's also going to let you be able to see your dog. You can see the protection on the other side there. And then it will also fold down to protect your vehicle and help prevent scratches and things like that. So you can have this down while your dog's loading. Once they're in, you can raise that up and attach it like we have it on the other side. Now my other carrier that I have for my dogs is actually a fabric. This is kind of a leather-like material, and I gotta say, I'm liking this. I think this is gonna help a lot with grip as well, and it's got a little bit of padding to it because of the way that material is. Now you can see this is good, hard support, and that goes all the way up to the back of my seat. And we've got all this extra space that they can now stand on. Now the size on this across the back is 54 inches from door to door and 65 inches from the top of the back seat down the bottom to the top of the front seat. And these are the two partners in crime. There's plenty of room in the back seat for both of them, and they have a good secure footing. What I like most is that they have this extra space. They're not crammed into the back seat. They're easily accessible by whoever's in the front seat, and just much more comfortable in general.